Good morning. You want me to get you some num-nums? You mean yes? You mean yes? What do you want? You want cereal? Yes? Oh, you're a little sweetie. Did you have a good night? Did you have sweet monkey dreams? Huh? Okay, you can go back to bed. Okay? You could chat with me for a minute and then you can go back. No. Yep. Oh. Oh. Oh, you're like a little gremlin. Okay, you go down there.